Most people trying to make money online spend a lot of time looking for affiliate marketing opportunities. They try freelancing, they try drop shipping, and also creating digital products, which actually take a lot of time. And you also need to have some level of knowledge to come up with profitable digital products. What if I told you that there's a way you can sell digital products starting today without creating a single thing from scratch? Stay with me because in the next 9 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how, and I'm giving you a full starter kit for free before this video ends. So I'm going to giving you access to this guide. It's a guide that shows you how to start a digital product business. You also get a list of hooks, ideas for reels and videos, and also get powerful ChatGPT prompts that can help you in generating ideas and strategies for digital marketing. And if you want to create faceless content, I'll give you access to faceless content so you can get started. This is what makes digital products different. You need to do no packaging, no shipping, no warehousing. You get 100% margin, meaning you can create it once if you prefer to create your own digital products, and then you can sell over and over again. And the same applies when you resell other people's products. There is no cap on income. You can sell to one person or 1,000 people. The effort is the same. You get to own the asset, meaning you get to learn to consume the content that is in the product that you're selling. And you also are able to have it, edit. I mean, it belongs to you. You can do whatever you want to do with it. And then it works for you while you sleep. So once you automate, and I'm going to show you how you're able to automate everything, you make money on autopilot. So when you talk about digital products, what do you mean? Digital products are anything that you can sell electronically, that goes into ebooks and guides like this one that I'm taking you through. You can create templates through Canva, social media templates, resume designs, anything that you can share with someone that they can edit or you can help them in building their business. You can create courses, you can do video or written courses on a topic that you know, or tools like prompt packs, spreadsheets, apps, and also swipe files. So anything that can be consumed digitally is a digital product. There are 3 ways that you can make money online with digital products. The first one is create your own digital products. So you build a guide, a template, or a course, and you list it on a website like Gumroad or even your own website. And when someone buys, you keep 100% of the revenue. The second model is resell with Master Resell Rights. So you're reselling someone's digital product. So you purchase once and you receive the rights to resell it, and you keep every coin that you make. You don't need to be asking for permission every time. You don't need to share with a percentage with someone else the way it works with affiliate marketing. Once you get the MRR, that is the Master Resell Rights, you have the rights to keep and resell this product. The other one is the third way is you can start an MRR product to generate immediate income, and then get money to fund your own digital product. So that way you're combining both. So you're also gaining knowledge as you learn from the product that you bought to create your own. So this is how you build your own product if this is how you choose to go. So you pick a topic. So you need to pick a topic that solves a specific problem for a specific person. You cannot sell to everybody, and you can not solve a big problem. You need to be very, very specific, and of course have a time frame. For example, you can see a beginner's guide to making your first $500 selling digital products in 30 days. If you have experience in selling digital products, then you can create a guide and help those people who are getting started. The next step is to choose a format. You want to choose whether you want to create templates, you want to create ebook, you want to create an audio file. That is a format that you need to settle for. The third step is now going ahead and creating the product. And the tools out there like Canva, Google Docs, that can help you to create these products. Also, remember there's the cloud and there's ChatGPT and other AI tools that you can leverage to create these products. Now, you need to set a price. Of course, you start with low ticket at between $7 and $27. This is the entry level, and then you can be able to sell to this person who's already bought the low ticket product from you. You do a mid-tier, and then you go to a comprehensive or a done for you course, and then finally you can do the high ticket bundles, coaching, or even the MRR packages for people. Now, the other thing that you need to do is to set up your storefront. You need to go for a store that will help you sell on automatic selling. Like, you don't have to be manually selling. You can set up Gumroad, you can set up Stan Store, you can set up Payhip and pay a transaction fee. Mainly this is what I use. I use Payhip and I get to pay a fee per every transaction that I make. Now, the other thing that you need to do is launch and promote. Your content is your marketing. So you need to do marketing that will attract people. You need to do content that will show you as the expert of that specific product or offering solution to that specific need that someone has, and then show them the product, and then that's how you make money through your marketing. So this section gives you everything that you need. Now, this is how you create content without showing your face. And don't worry, I'm gonna give you some short videos that you can get started with. But you can do text on screen. You can also do voiceover or screen recording. You can do stock videos that are available in Pixabay, and these are free. They don't have any copyright issues. You can take them to CapCut, add voice, or even add text and be able to share them. You can do carousel posts on Instagram and LinkedIn. The thing is, or you can even do AI videos. The thing is, you need to create content that adds value. So, because people need to trust you. People need to trust and believe that you can help them solve a problem. And that way they will be able to buy your products. So these are some of the products that can help you in creating your content. Like, you can copy this, go to cloud or ChatGPT. Sorry, say act as a digital marketing strategist for a creator who sells this product. Now you be specific on the niche that you're at, and then you say the target audience, then ask you to create a 30-day content strategy for Instagram or TikTok. So you need to leverage use of AI. That way it will be very easy for you to begin selling. I promised you I'll give you access to this guide. It's a 3-step digital product creation guide that will take you through everything that you need step by step to get started. If you prefer to get started with this business right away, you will get a link inside this guide that will take you to access to digital products that you can get links to. You can customize them, you can add your name, you can add your logo on them and resell them. And I'm talking about this digital products bundle with MRR. So it's a bundle that has different niches. You're able to choose whatever niche that you want to go to, or you can even resell the whole of it. So go ahead and comment the word start. I'm gonna send you access to the hooks, to the prompt, to the guide that will also take you there. and you'll be on your way to begin making your money online. As you can see, it's on a very, very low discount. This is a very short-term discount, so go ahead and first access the free contents. But if you want to go straight away to this, you can also comment and I'll give you access to this. I'll see you on the next one.